That's a half order for the full Maximus. That's a half. Boo! Pretty sure it's day 19.
It's day. Who cares anymore?
It's the end of the trip basically. Last couple days. Everything's covered in tree jizz. Or
That was inside my tent.
yeah, I bet you it was. No. Why is it sticky then?
My swim shorts, on the other hand, and my helmet are fucked.
Yeah. Oh, you left your helmet outside?
Yeah.
Oh, that's disappointing.
That's okay, I don't have to wear anything.
Oh, I don't have to wear a helmet. I'm in Montana. Yeah, mine's covered in shit, but I ain't wearing it now. Fuck that. With a bunch of hardcore bikers, apparently. My helmet's clean because I put it in my tent.
I would leave it in there because it's literally just. It's probably got shit on it already.
Been outside for 8 seconds.
That's all it takes. I walked outside and like the face was wet. So.
Interesting. Full of tree jizz. Radical. Pretty excited about that. All right, well, let's take our sticky stuff down. On the road to the sky today, I believe it's called. We'll go for a pretty fun ride. It'll be our last real good day of riding before we gotta start making our way back home. Montana's been a great time, except for all the tree sap all over our stuff. God, I look like crap. Ugh. All right, well, let's pack up the bikes, get coffee, go see some rad stuff. See you out there. Camera inception.
I love America.
No safety rail.
If this was Canada, this would have a 6-foot fence with barbed wire on top.
Oh, we wouldn't even be allowed like within 10 feet of it.
This road wouldn't exist.
That's true. Yeah. That made my head a little spinny.
Just a little bit.
It's really high.
Oh man, yeah. All of our eyes are bigger than our stomachs. Oh, got lunch. Way too much food as always. Back on the road now. Making our way back home. Yay. It's the 19th night, last night of the trip. Everybody's too tired to set their stuff up, but it's got to be done. Everything's full of sap. Bikes are gross. Went through some mud today. Yeah, it's been a crazy ride. I don't want to go home yet. I don't want to set my stuff up either. Let's check the mileage out. What are we at? 6510.3. Not bad for 20 days. Nothing crazy. But we saw a lot of stuff. Okay, it's time to set my tent up now. Welcome to my home for the last 20 days. Just, you know, mattress, garbage pillows. Simple life.
Yeah, my keys are in my pocket. Allow me to supply power, my good man. My bad. Just wang! Oh, there's no actual hole?
This stupid thing is supposed to blow into it.
That's hole.
To let the air out.
No, you can't fucking.
This is way faster. That's what you're supposed to do. I almost blacked out the first time I tried that.
No, remember the one I had? You're supposed to fill the bag and like roll it? I think Max's first mattress was like that too. The stupid, yeah.
Fuck hikers, fuck backpackers. Get real. Get a real mattress. Get a proper $20 Walmart mattress. Had this thing 3 years, didn't pop it. Max popped 4 of those goddamn things. They take up a ton of room, but 20 bucks, so I'm not a rich man. It's gas money. That's money I could be spending on gas and a new motorcycle, apparently. Keep this stuff out of the sap. Yeah. There we go, tent's all set up. Ta-da! Last night. I get to watch these fools set up while I drink a beer. I'm gonna get food and start drinking. Oh, we'll see if I remember to turn this on. I don't think so far I've remembered to turn this on a single night this trip, but so I don't think I've remembered to turn this on for any of the nights where but it's also dark and the light on this pile of garbage doesn't work super well. Oh my God, look at how sunburnt my nose is. You know why? Some hardcore.
Hardcore enough to wear no helmet, bitch.
I don't have anywhere to put it.
Lies.
Where would I put it, Max?
Lies.
Where would it have gone?
There's always room. There's always somewhere.
You should have bullied me into buying a cargo net.
Well, you should have bought a $12 cargo net.
Listen, that's.
I don't want to hear your lessons.
I bought a seat. And this is later. I need to be coaxed. I succumb to peer pressure quite easily, guys. You know this. Ongoing tradition at every campsite we've been to.
Americans apparently don't know how their car alarms work.
I don't want to be that guy, but like America.
Figure out your fucking car alarms.
Bro.
Bro!
Every single campground this has happened at. It kind of had to happen on the last night. It would have been weird if it didn't. This one's longer than most of them. I'm gonna record this until this stops so that the world knows what we had to deal with. Or at least my mom
I think she's the only one who watches these. It has now been 1 minute and 17 seconds of this. Boo! This song sucks. It's the worst club I've ever been to in my life.
I mean, if you think about it that way, it's actually not that bad.
Gotta get beat.
You want to freestyle to it? It's been 18 days. Sleeping in tents.
It's getting intense.
With a plate of grilled bacon.
Got my man Dwight just to see what was shaking. This is insane. It's been 100 hours and 23 minutes. So however that song goes. All right, so that went on for almost 3 minutes. 2 minutes and 57 seconds. And I turned the camera on after that started for a little while. Had to go out in style. Get some noodles.
Everybody loves the nudes.
True. These Tapatios are a little tangy. To counterbalance the heat, it's currently 30 something degrees outside. I don't know what that is in American.
Mid-90s.
Mid-90s. That's around the time that was coming up in the mid-90s.
And that concludes the final night of our trip. Way too many beers, way too many memories. I can't wait to do this all over again next year. I love these trips. I love these boys. I hope you're enjoying watching these as much as I'm enjoying making them. Here's a preview of day 20, the last day of our adventure. Come back next week for day 20 and see how our adventure ends. Thanks for riding along with us.